mi gente, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello. If you're not, welcome back. I just wanted to come on here and I wanted to do something a little different here for you guys. You know how your girl's on a different kick here. But anywho's, I wanted to do an over 40 makeup. So if you guys know me, you know I'm not 40 yet. I will be. My birthday's in 2 months, so yeah. Anywho's, I wanted to do a 40 and over makeup, more mature type skin. If you guys know, I've only had Botox done one time. I wanted to come on here and kind of show you guys the different types of steps that I do take when I do wear makeup. I'm not the type to cake it on anymore. I am getting older and I am getting more wrinkles and it is bothering me so bad. I want to get Botox again, but Botox is expensive and a lot of people cannot afford it. So I have learned and I have found out different types of products that work for more mature skin. If you know that these lines right here, they bother me so bad. So bad, and I got crow's feet as well. I tried to record this video on my camera, my expensive camera, and it was not recording. Something happened in the settings, or I don't know, but I could not get it to record. So I said, you know what, whatever, I'm gonna get this video out. I just need to record on my phone. So there's some type of filter on here that makes it look like I don't have wrinkles, but I do. These 11 lines are so annoying to me. And I use, if you guys don't know, I use this thing called Frownies. I put it on at night, and when you wake up, how do you call it? It's supposed to take the 11 lines away and your wrinkles away. You could put it on your forehead, you could put it on your eyes, you could put it on your smile lines, you could put it anywhere on your face. It's almost like a cast. Then you just take it off in the morning, wash your face, because that you're gonna have that sticky stuff on your face. But I do use those, but I feel like because I'm such an expressive person, I'm still gonna end up with these lines, and I hate them. I hate them. But whatever. In the meantime and in the interim, I have to use makeup or try and test products that don't accentuate those lines in my face. One good one that I do want to tell you guys about is this Tom Ford foundation. This one is, okay, you guys, I know it's so expensive, but it is so worth it. This does not settle into your fine lines, and let me give you a dupe. If you guys know the e.l.f. one with like the big concealer type wand with the pink cap, that is a dupe. It's a very thin consistency, just like the e.l.f. one is. So if you cannot afford this one, this Tom Ford one, then I suggest that you go and you get the e.l.f. one. This is an amazing foundation because, like I said, it doesn't settle into your fine lines, and it's super thin that you still get some type of coverage, but you don't get that full coverage. If you want a full coverage type of look, girl, I don't know what to tell you, because on more mature skin, a full coverage foundation is gonna immediately settle into your fine lines. So if you don't want that, then I would highly recommend that you go for a thinner consistency foundation. And now, my concealer that I do use, and this is one of my favorites, is the Kosas concealer. This stuff is really good. It does not settle. I do have fine lines here under my eyes, and I do have crow's feet. It does not settle into those lines. Now, this Huda Beauty, the cherry one powder, is good. If you're like sensitive to scents, don't get that. Huda Beauty does have a powder like that, a loose powder that does not have scent. I guess somebody complained about it because it does smell like old lady, but it is so good. This powder is so good. As soon as I put on and I blend out with a beauty blender, not a brush, because the brush will give you fuller coverage. I always use a beauty blender, and I blend it out and I instantly put on powder, but I instantly also take it off. So remember that if you let it bake, you are gonna get lines, you're gonna get lines, you're gonna get lines. I went to cosmetology school, I know what I'm talking about. And wearing makeup for over 11 years, 12 years, now I know the different tips and tricks to use to work for my skin. These other products that I use, anybody can use. It's not a life changer. I do have hooded eyes. That is one thing I do want to talk about, is hooded eyes. If you have hooded eyes, you have to take that crease color and go higher on the hood, on the eyelid, because then you're not going to be able to see it. So if you want your eyes to look bigger and brighter, of course, use either white eyeliner or use a light eyeshadow. Because if you go into that smoky eye look, your eyes are going to look so tiny. So remember that trick too. Other than that, I don't think I have any other like tips and tricks. Everything that I use here, you'll see it. I went light and I went very minimal. The lighter you go, the more minimal you go, your look is gonna look so much prettier and it's gonna look so much more natural. If you want one of those looks that are like out there, smoky, all that, either learn it really well or have a makeup artist do it. All right, mi gente, so if you come along with me, you will see how I got this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you enjoy the tips and the tricks that I kind of gave you. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not already, join the fam, and like my video and share it out so more people can see it, okay? I will talk to you guys in my next video. Don't forget to stay beautiful and out, mi gente. Bye.